Hey guys, it's Michelle. I had a request to do a tutorial on tracing and mirroring, so I'm just gonna quick hit on the tracing because Siobhan did a good tutorial already on how to trace an image. So if you found this video, you'll find hers on our YouTube channel as well, and you guys can take a good look at that. She goes in depth on tracing. I'm just gonna hit on it really quickly here, okay? So we move this into our work area, which mine is zoomed out a bit, so I'm going to make it a little bigger there. Okay, so you go over here to trace anything that you bring in. You're going to go to this little, it kind of looks like a butterfly. You're going to click that. That's your trace tool. Click on trace, select trace area. You'll get this little plus sign. You just pull that gray screen over top of whatever it is that you're trying to trace. When it turns yellow like that, whatever is yellow is going to trace, okay? So I'm going to choose trace. And there it is. Now, you move your image out of the way, and boom, you have your trace. Now, in order to mirror, the word is used, but when you mirror something in the send panel, like the default little, would you like to send this mirrored because you're working with HTV, it flips your entire design from the top to the bottom, and it flips it all around. So if you're like me, I am a scrap queen. I try to get I try to use my smaller, like my smaller pieces of vinyl as often as I can. So when you flip it, when you mirror it, if you are only using, if your design is, say, I'll change this one for visual purpose. But say your design is, you're going to do it 5 by 5. And you only have a 5 by 5 piece of HTV on your mat, if you hit that mirror button or send it mirrored in the send panel, it's going to flip it from where you have your vinyl measured. It's going to flip it over and move it down here. And you don't want that, obviously, because your vinyl is only loaded 5 by 5 in the top corner. So what you want to do is right click on your design, flip it horizontally. There it is. It's mirrored. When it cuts, it's going to cut exactly the way that you want it to. So then you would just click onto the send. And there she is, ready to go. So, and as you can see here, I would click send. And when you do this, if you click on send and mirror, it shows that it's there, but it's actually down here when it goes into your machine. So, I mean, it kind of throws a whammy at you because you're not prepared for it. And if you, like I said, if you're like me and you cut just a 5 by 5 piece of vinyl and put it in that corner, you're going to be, oh my gosh, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So I hope that helped. I hope that explained it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.